Income inequality or social mobility, which matters more? Income disparity is frequently viewed as a key issue that governments must address. Socioeconomic tensions and populist upheavals are blamed on unequal economic outcomes around the world. Recent research, however, indicates that the underlying issue is not income inequality, but the inequity linked with inadequate social mobility. Although the terms income inequality and social mobility are sometimes used interchangeably, they are not synonymous. Income inequality is concerned with how uneven people's incomes are, whereas social mobility is concerned with why each individual earns what they do. How much of a person's income, for example, can be anticipated by their parents' income. People frequently believe that countries with lower income inequality experience less economic and social stress. However, countries with significantly lower levels of income inequality frequently experience the same level of economic discontent as countries with higher levels of income inequality. France, Poland, and Hungary are examples of countries with low income disparity but high levels of economic dissatisfaction and populist movements. Economic dissatisfaction grows in countries like this because there aren't enough opportunities for regular people to succeed. To put it another way, there is a severe lack of social mobility. Furthermore, simply redistributing income from the wealthy to the poor does not create chances for social mobility. Instead, it may stifle the chances of success for those who are already struggling due to excessive regulation and taxation. Canada, Australia, and New Zealand, which stand out as islands of relative stability, have a different answer. These countries are concentrating their efforts on boosting social mobility. Even if they originate from a poor household, citizens in these countries may often climb ahead with talent, ability, effort, and hard work. As a result, most people do not believe the economy is fundamentally rigged. Low social mobility, according to research and analysis, correlates with the geography of dissent and unrest. Importantly, income and wealth inequality do not. This comes as no surprise. According to behavioral science, people are unconcerned about unequal outcomes if they are accomplished fairly. Simply put, people despise cheaters who get an unfair advantage. Alternatively, they value systems in which success is based on talent, effort, and output. This suggests that world leaders should put social mobility ahead of income inequality. This involves moving away from the basic idea of taxing the wealthy and instead focusing on more complex policy issues. Accordingly, countries should ask themselves what role the government plays in promoting equality through public goods such as education, healthcare, and infrastructure, and what is the best way for the private sector to help citizens turn opportunity into actual success. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. It helps others find our content. And please visit Econobits.com for a list of resources and references.